Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2012 Honda NC700X. Sport bike, twin cylinder, 670cc, fuel injected, liquid cooled, super smooth, 55 plus miles per gallon. This is the one with the storage right in front where the gas tank normally is. The gas is below the seat. Very nice low center of gravity. We'll demo that. Really nice size storage that you can put your stuff in, your lunch or your gear or whatever. Come by. I had one of these bikes. I put 20,000 miles on it. I loved it more when I sold it than when I bought it. It's fantastically engineered, great handling, super smooth, only $42.99. Come by, check it out. It's only got 10,000 miles on it. She's just broken in, ready to go. We have financing, we have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com. Where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.